Throw your old tights in the trash. You'll never have to clean it again. I'll show you how simple this trick is and how much you need it. Grab your bin and check if the trash bag fits properly. In general, bags don't stay in place after throwing in the trash. They slip to the bottom, creating a mess with leftover food. To fix this, all you need is a simple knee-high stocking or a pair of old tights. They can be tights that you no longer wear. Take one of these items. First, cut off the top part of the knee-high stocking. Then, make a vertical cut above the toes. Now, you can stretch it out like a large rubber band. Now, take your bin and the trash bag. Place the bag in the bin. Around the opening of the bag, put the stocking. This way, you'll keep the bag in place. This trick prevents the trash bag from slipping. Taking out the trash has never been so easy, thanks to a simple pair of knee-high stockings.